Good morning, Year 8. So this little video is just to show you how to find the tutorials on Tinkercad. So the objective for today is to build the skills that we need to be able to design objects using all the features on the software. So you will see that we're going to follow this link, but we're also going to need this class code. So I'm going to copy that across now. And you're also going to need to know your nickname. It's your first name followed by 8S, and there's no spaces, it's all joined together. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now, I've copied this class code, I'm going to click on the link to join the class. And this is where I'm going to have to put in the code. So I've copied it, so Control and C, and I'm going to Control and V to put in the code. Now this will take me to 8S. Now, before it does, you've got to put in your name. So, Summer 8S as an example. Right, so here's the software. So obviously we could start designing by clicking on here, but I really don't want you to do that. Unless you are completely confident using this, then you could go on and start designing. But what I suggest is that you go to Learn. So up at the top here, right hand side, if you click on Learn, and then there's different things here. You can see there's starter things, there's some lessons, and there's projects. Now, once you've done the one that I'm setting for today, you can come back and try any of these. You can see that, there's some cool things that you can go off and make, Minecraft party glasses, so on. But we're going into projects. Now, if you see this one here, Let's Learn Tinkercad, if you click on that, that's the one that I actually want you to do because it's a series of 5 lessons. So, getting started, so being able to navigate, testing your navigation skills, moving, rotating, scaling, making, manipulating, and so on. So if you press start on each of these, then what you'll find is that you'll get a tutorial that you can use to go through on the left hand side. So you'll see here is your tutorial, and you just click next. And what it's going to ask you to do is to use all the features to build the skills. Okay, so this is what I would like you to do this lesson. Any questions, just ask.